The quest for radical alignment. As we stand on the precipice of a post-labor economy, where automation and artificial intelligence render most traditional forms of work obsolete, humanity faces an existential crossroads. With potentially 80% unemployment on the horizon, we must radically rethink our fundamental social contract and what it means to live a fulfilling life outside the paradigm of exchanging labor for income. This is where the concept of radical alignment emerges, a holistic philosophy aimed at reshaping our lifestyles and priorities to better harmonize with our fundamental needs as human beings, as creatures bound to the natural world. At its core lies the principle of body-first living, prioritizing and honoring the innate biological and psychological needs of our human-animal bodies above all else. Body-first living means yielding to our circadian rhythms, allowing our bodies to sleep as much as needed without the tyranny of alarm clocks. It means moving our bodies through exercise and immersing ourselves in nature, instead of being sepultured in cubicles disconnected from the natural world. It requires breaking free from the shackles of fast food and poor dietary habits that run counter to our biological imperatives. But body-first living extends beyond just physical needs. As innately social creatures, we require rich community bonds and robust interpersonal connections, the very antithesis of the loneliness and isolation that afflicts modern society. And just as importantly, we must nurture our psyche's craving for autonomy, agency and self-determination. Embracing change is inevitable in meeting evolving demands. Clinging to outdated methods hinders progress. Proactive adaptation opens possibilities for innovation and growth, ultimately surpassing expectations. The road to radical alignment begins at the individual level through conscious lifestyle redesign, but has the potential to spark wider cultural reformation as more people embrace these back-to-basics ideals. We can become the nurturers of our own human habitat, crafting an environment optimized for our authentic needs and deepest fulfillment. Of course, this holistic paradigm shift raises many questions about the limits of individual freedoms, the role of governance, and how we redefine human purpose in a world very different from the one that shaped us evolutionarily. But those are the very questions and challenges that make the quest for radical alignment so vital as we cross this ontological Rubicon into tomorrow's uncharted waters of human experience.